I'm going to show you how to create a landing page. If you have no account, then you can sign up to System IO. Create your account right there. Then this one is very easy. We have this main dashboard CRM where we can save our contacts, pipelines, and calendars. Inside, we can create our blogs, funnels, creator store and blogs, and emails. If we are going to set up newsletters, campaigns, and statistics, then SMS templates. Then we have automation workflows right here. Then assets if you are selling courses or you have communities, files, coupons, or physical products. Then the sales is here where you can see orders and transaction or subscriptions or affiliate invoices. Here we can here we can set up our funnel here. So we did. So this one image we're going to upload. Graphics, let's see here. Uh, let's choose this one. Insert. This one we can see this one here. So we can see our site. Then if you want to edit, you can edit. Just click like this. Then you can start writing. If you have a draft, then you can just paste right here. So let's see. Let's go to workflows. There. Ay, let's upload again. Save. You can adjust here. This is the thing. Click if you want to adjust something right here, or the overlay, color, the fonts, shadow, and the font size. And you can view funnel right here. Then you can see you successfully launch your landing page. Then later you can set up here, add your own ideas. You can apply here something like this kind of jobs. You can post it here. See, this is good for recruitment agency type of template. Very easy.